Conducting your own investigation can be fun and rewarding. Depending on the investigation, you could even save money. An investigation doesn't have to be complex, but it can be repetitive and time-consuming. To conduct an efficient and effective investigation, you need to follow a process of steps. Here, I'm going to introduce you to my investigation process. If you haven't watched my previous videos, What is an Investigation and Critical Thinking for Success, I recommend that you do, as they are prerequisites for the investigation process. Throughout this video, I will be referencing a real investigation to help you understand the investigation process. Madison enrolled as a student into a makeup and special effects educational program with a government-certified training institution, K Academy. After 8 weeks into the course, certified instructors were replaced with students to teach the program. Madison then withdrew from the program. Madison requested that her tuition be refunded. K Academy offered a partial refund, which Madison disputed. Madison believed she was entitled to a full refund because K Academy had misrepresented that only certified instructors would be teaching the program. Madison conducted her own investigation for evidence that would hopefully support a full refund. There are many different types of investigations. The type of investigation depends on its purpose. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce you to the process for fact-finding investigations. Fact-finding investigations are impartial, objective, and thorough. Fact-finding investigations don't have a predetermined conclusion. They are free of bias, opinion, and selective facts. A fact-finding investigation is not complete until all the questions are answered. Unanswered questions may change the outcome of your investigation. My process uses the investigation cycle, which is comprised of 3 parts: assessment, theory, and investigation. Assessment. Your investigation starts with assessing and analyzing what you already know. You may have information or artifacts in your possession that may contain clues. Madison analyzed the documents she obtained from K Academy, which revealed 3 different totals for the program. She became confused. She became more confused because her program acceptance letter and invoice for funding also had conflicting totals. Madison discovered she was not provided with a copy of the contract when she enrolled in the program. The program was regulated under the authority of the Ministry for Education. Ministry regulation states students must be given copies of their contract at the time of enrollment. Based on your assessment, develop a theory for avenues of investigation by asking questions. There is power in questions. Asking the right questions is a powerful tool for getting the facts. But you have to ask the right questions. Madison questioned why other documents provided by K Academy had conflicting totals. Her assessment of the documents in her possession led to the theory that K Academy had fraudulently misrepresented the cost of the course. To prove or disprove this theory, she had to obtain a copy of her signed contract. This contract should reference the correct cost of the program. Your questions should be relevant to your theory. Preparing the right questions is a skill. Ambiguous questions lead to ambiguous answers, which are not effective and don't lead to the facts. Your questions should be focused. A focused question has only one answer. It is more effective to ask, multiple focus questions, then a few vague questions. Each answer will add a piece to your investigation puzzle. Professional interviewers, such as police and lawyers, are taught how to ask the right questions. However, with practice, it is a skill that can be developed. Then prove or disprove your theory by conducting an investigation by pursuing the answers to your questions. However, be prepared that not all your questions will be answered. Your questions may hit a brick wall. There are techniques for breaking through brick walls, which will be the subject of a further video. Madison met with K Academy and requested a copy of her signed enrollment agreement. K Academy refused, stating it was not required. Madison then referenced the section of the government regulations which stated a copy must be provided, which K Academy then complied. Madison asked for all documents in her student file, which also revealed missing records and other inaccurate totals. Now assess and analyze any new information you obtain from your investigation. Then repeat the cycle. The investigation cycle makes the unknown or complex easier. If you're unsuccessful, don't give up. If you're not getting the answers you are seeking, you might not be asking the right questions. The answers are out there, you just have to find them.